Greetings all. So welcome to the third lesson of Mastering Excel Analytics course. And today we're going to get into more exciting concepts. So last class you had learned how to use sum function, min, max. So today we're going to deep dive. But I'm going to start again with the sum function. I have a sample of 5 numbers here. Let me use the sum formula is equal to sum, open bracket, select the range, close bracket and enter. Again is equal to, what I will do this time is equal to sum, open bracket, first cell, comma, second cell, comma, third cell, comma, fourth, comma, fifth. The fifth number, close bracket, enter. Both ways you can use the sum formula. The third is I'm going to use the numbers directly is equal to 10 plus 200 plus 567 plus 8,999 plus 10,000 and then click enter. You can see that you're getting same number. Now what I'm going to do is just for identification purpose, I'm going to color these cells with different colors. So I'm giving the first one blue color, second one I'm giving yellow color, and this I'm giving it say red color. Okay, so here we have used the sum formula and here we have used the normal addition of numbers. So now what is the factor to notice? Why do we use sum formula and not addition like this? Now, first thing, it's very evident that when we are having large numbers, too many numbers, then using this range is easier and not this. We will not be able to type all the numbers. It will be very time consuming and moreover, accuracy and all of that also plays a role. And sum formula is definitely easier once we get the practice of it. But there is one more advantage to this. Let me change in this A6 number, instead of 10,000, let me make it 20,000. Now please watch which changed. The one in blue, the sum in blue, sum in yellow changed automatically, while the red color cell didn't change. Watch it one more time. This 10,000, I'm going to change it to 20,000. Only blue and yellow changed, red didn't change. Why? Because when I use the sum formula, I'm telling to Excel, hey, Mr. Excel, please add whatever numbers are there from A2 till A6. So it doesn't matter what number is there inside it. Excel will take whatever is typed in that cell. It is not seeing the number, it is seeing the cell reference only. Same goes with this as well. But here we have given the numbers. So if you want to change anything, you need to come here and change for this total to be equal to this. And let's say at any time you're going to add a new number, let's say 15,000. Please remember, go and double click your formula to understand till which cell did it take. Now here it is taken only till A6. So if you want to include 15,000, make it till A7 and click enter. This also you need to come to the end, comma A7 and click enter. Then your total gets updated like this. Okay, so this is the advantage of using sum formula. Now let's get into other operators. So let me take a few numbers, 10 and 22, 100, 89, 60. And over here, okay. So now see what I'm doing. I'm going to use different symbols. So instead of sum formula, let's leave the formula aside. We are going to use symbols to get our maths concepts done. So is equal to C9, you can use plus D9 and then click enter. C9 plus D9. For addition, when you want subtraction, is equal to C10 minus D10. You will get it. If you want multiplication, use the asterisk symbol. Okay, use the asterisk symbol is equal to C11 asterisk D11. Click enter. It does multiplication. And the last is division is equal to C12 divided by D12. Okay, so addition is plus, subtraction, this is the symbol, multiplication, this is the symbol, and division, this is the symbol. Okay, so this is how you do your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division if you do not want to use any formula like this. Also, there is one more trick. What I will do is I'll come back to our assignment 1, which we had, wherein we typed the mark sheet. So let me just open it up. Now, yesterday we learned how to do the total, min, and max, and we were doing it in every cell. So today let us learn how to do a shortcut over there instead of doing it again and again. What do I mean by saying again and again? See, let's say you're using some formula here. Is equal to sum, open bracket, drag, drop, close bracket, enter. Okay, and let's have our lowest mark, highest mark. Okay, and is equal to min, open bracket. Please remember over here, be careful that you select from 97 and go till 34, and you do not go to 227. Do not go there. Stop here, close bracket, enter. And for highest mark, it's going to be is equal to max, open bracket, same range, close bracket. Now, after this, you needn't type here again, you needn't type is equal to sum. Because here it is C2 to G2. If you pull this arrow over here, let me zoom a little bit. See the small square here, right side corner. Keep your mouse there. Your mouse becomes a black plus. Drag and drop it down. You can see automatically over here, the selection shifts one row down. Okay, that's how the understanding of the Excel is. And from here, you can drag and drop it till here. It will come just in 1 second. Same way, this also you can drag and drop till here. This also you can drag and drop till here. And let's go to another new formula. Let's say you want to find the average mark. Then is equal to average, open bracket, have the selection, close bracket, and enter. And this just drag and drop. It's again done. Okay, so let's increase the column width, and if you want to add borders, you can add borders like this. Okay, so pretty much you have all the math that you want related to this mark sheet. Next, let's get into another concept. So you saw why sum is essential. You saw how you can use formula. You saw how if you add a new data, how to bring it inside the formula. You learned how to bring the formula automatically to all the cells. And then last, you learn the average formula as well. Now, let's come to a textual data. That is, I have sentences in my data, not numbers. I'm going to deal with sentences. Now, if you see here, this is a long sentence. It's a very long sentence. Let's say I select the column, I'll double click. Now see here, it is going till this. Okay, now I can't read the page like this. From here I start reading, go like this, come back again, go like this, come back again. It's going to be Very, very difficult. Nor can we keep it like this and also read, even that is difficult. So at that time, what you can do is select this column, bring it a little distance until you're able to see it over here. Now, let me show first for A3. Okay. Select this cell. Here you have this under home tab, you have this A, B, C and down arrow. Click that. This is called wrap text, where once you fix the column width, if you click on wrap text, the row height will increase automatically. Same way, let's do for all the cells. You can select like this, click on wrap text. Then see here, automatically it comes like this. You will be able to read all the sentences. So here, the row height increases like this. The row height increases. Here, the row height has increased. Here also, the row height has increased. So this goes based on your column width. So when you have too much of data over here across these many columns and you want to see all the columns in your one page, then select and wrap text wherever you're having sentences. Okay, this is for sentence. With this, we give a small break to the data analysis, data cleaning, sentence conversion and everything. Now what we are going to learn is form, a data entry form which is available easily on your Excel itself. Now we are going to start with the data entry form. Okay, let's see how without coding we are going to use the form for data entry. So I'm coming back to this assignment 1 image that we had. Okay, first let me show with this, then we will get into today's assignment. So I'm keeping it like this beside each. So first thing, let me give the table headings. Okay, whatever headers are there, let me give it roll number, name, accountancy, his spelling is wrong. Then English, maths, economics, business studies. Okay, after this, what you have to do, go to file, go to options, come to quick access toolbar. Click on all commands. It will just take a little time to load. Once it loads, come down to F where the F series starts. Click on form, click on add and say OK. You will see here the form gets added. Please note this is my quick access toolbar. For some of you, the quick access toolbar will be on the top above these tab names. For me, it is down just above the formula bar. It is here. It can be anywhere. In both the places, it is called only quick access toolbar. Okay. Now, once this is done, what you do, select this, all your headers, click on Control T. This is a table creation method in an easy format. Click my table as headers because your table has headings, right? So click on my table as headers and say OK. It will come like this automatically. Then click on form. See here, automatically the form is generated like this. Okay, this is the first display to teach you how it looks. When you enter into a form, you will see the data coming here on the table. How does it happen? To show you all that, that is why we're learning this in this class. Okay, so what I will do is, I will make this a little small. Okay, so now again, I'm going to put my cursor here, select form. Okay, so here I go. I have the form here. So first is roll number 1. I have Akhilesh. Please don't use any down arrow enter button to go to the next. Use your mouse to bring the cursor down. Okay, so after giving the name, sorry, I'm giving the number. Again, a number here, economics 13, then 34. After this, click enter. See here, it automatically comes in the table. Okay. Suppose you're done with the form, then just close it. Okay. Suppose if there is a new data to add, then bring your cell again over here, click on form, click on new. This will go as a new record. And please remember, once you add the form to Excel ribbon over here, it will always be there. It will not go. Okay, so this process of bringing the form is just the first time. That's all. Okay, so with this, today's concept completes over here. Okay, now let's get into our assignment for the day. Now, this employee data is being shared. So what you do is first give the table headings. Okay, so our assignment starts here. Watch what I'm doing and please do along with me. So I have given the header ID, then first name, gender, birth date, job category, salary, job time, and experience. Okay, so now let me zoom this out a little bit. Let me select this, double click. Now select the heading, click on Control T. My table has headers. Okay. After this, put your cell or select any cell inside and click on form. Okay. Let me make this a little small first, then have the form. So please ensure that your cell is selected inside. Then only this will come. Okay. So first ID number 1, name Rebecca. Please note when you're doing the data entry, it has to be in the same format. Do not change as per your case. Suppose you want to make it uppercase, lowercase, do not do that. When you're doing data entry, it should be as how it is given. Okay, job category 3, then use dollar symbol here. Dollar 57, 1000, 3 zeros, 98, job experience 144. Click enter. So see, first data came. Same way, second, Steve, male, 23rd May 1988. Job category 1, salary dollar 40,000. Sorry, I missed a comma. So it has to be 40,298. Experience 56. Enter. So like this, keep continuing till you finish the last data entry. 50 employees has to be completed. So till then, please finish it. Now, after finishing, so I have already finished. So let me open that up. So if you see here, I've already finished it. Okay. So after finishing, what you do, come down below the salary. Okay. Come down below the salary. Click here or type here total, minimum, maximum, average. Okay, so we are going to find the total of all the salary. So we're going to do a vertical total this time. Okay, so that is why below this job category column, I asked you to write these small headings. Okay, so over here is equal to sum, open bracket, select from here till 60,000, close bracket, enter. See this? Automatically it comes. Same way is equal to min, open bracket, from top, selected till 60,000, close bracket, enter. This gives the minimum salary. And max will give who has got the highest salary. Now, ma'am, should I always go from top to down? Not like that. You can go from down to up as well. Excel will understand. Enter. Then last is average is equal to average, open bracket. This time also, let me go from down to up. Okay, close bracket, enter. Now, after this, what you can do, you can use this to bring it this side, same way, this side, this side, this side. Okay, please see that here, there is currency that is coming automatically. Okay, currency should not come. This is talking about job time. Job time is in hours or minutes, and even the same thing is experience. It's mostly in hours. Okay, so this should not come as a dollar. So for all these, select all these. Over here, you have this currency. Select it to general. Okay, change it to general. Remember, the dollar symbol should not be here. Okay, so change it to general. If you want for identification purpose, these cells, you can give it a different color so that you know that you've done some calculation over here. Okay, after this, the last step is going to be go here, click on data and click on filter. Okay, so when you submit, all these filters have to be there. And from here, we are going to start our next step of data analysis. Okay, we'll be using filters. We'll try to create some charts and do some good data analysis over here. Okay, so this is how your employee database looks like. Now, after this last step, what do you do? Go to file, click on save as. Okay, so let me do it in the desktop itself. I'm going to the desktop. I will save it as Akshaya underscore assignment 3. Okay, this is my assignment 3. So with this, you're done for the assignment. Please do practice. Thank you. Thank you all so much, and see you all with the next lesson.